In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show or hide your current company on a LinkedIn profile. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, let's get started by accessing your LinkedIn profile. You'll want to log in to linkedin.com. Once you're logged in, locate your profile picture. It's typically found in the top left corner or sometimes in the top navigation bar. Clicking on your profile picture will take you directly to your profile page where you can make changes. Now that you're on your profile page, the next step is to open the intro editor. Look for the pencil icon, which represents the edit button located on the right side of your introduction section. When you click on this pencil icon, a pop-up window will appear, allowing you to edit various elements of your profile. Within this pop-up window, you'll need to scroll down to find the display setting relating to your current company. This option can be found in the Education or Current Position section of the Edit interface. It's important to carefully look for this section as it contains the visibility settings for your current employer. Now let's talk about toggling the visibility of your current company. If your goal is to hide your current company from your profile, simply uncheck the box that says Show Current Company in my intro. This action will ensure that your employer's name does not appear at the top of your profile, keeping that information private. On the other hand, if you wish to show your current employer, you'll check the box to display it prominently at the top of your profile. This is a great way to let your network know where you're working and provide context for your professional identity. Once you've adjusted the visibility according to your preferences, the final step is to save your changes. Be sure to click the Save button at the bottom of the window. This action confirms that your selections have been applied successfully and keeps your profile up to date. Remember, adjusting the visibility of your current company can play a significant role in how you present yourself to your professional network. Whether you choose to show or hide this information can depend on various factors, like your job search status or privacy preferences. So that's how to show or hide your current company on your LinkedIn profile. Following these straightforward steps will ensure your profile reflects exactly what you want others to see. If you have any questions or want further tips on optimizing your LinkedIn profile, feel free to drop a comment below. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.